Hey there, Facebook users. Today we're going to talk about an important topic, how to prevent Facebook from accessing your microphone. Protecting your privacy and ensuring your conversations remain private is crucial. So let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store. Once you're there, type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then hit the Install button. Once the app is downloaded, open it and sign into your account. Step 2. On the Facebook app home screen, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on it to reveal the side menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to expand the options. Step 4. Within the expanded menu, continue scrolling down until you reach the Your Activity section. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 5. Now within the Your Activity section, tap on Device Permissions. Step 6. Among the listed permissions, locate and tap on Microphone. Step 7. You'll see an option to update the settings. Tap on it. Step 8. This will open your device settings specifically for app permissions. Scroll down until you find App Permissions and tap on it. Step 9. Among the listed app permissions, search for Microphone and tap on it. Step 10. Finally, within the microphone access settings, select Don't Allow to prevent Facebook from accessing your microphone. Fantastic! You've successfully prevented Facebook from accessing your microphone. By taking control of your app permissions, you can ensure your privacy and keep your conversations confidential. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to prevent Facebook from accessing your microphone. Your privacy matters, and being mindful of app permissions is essential. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.